Everyone, and welcome back to another episode with me, April Federico, in Be Well by April. Or not, after almost 28 years, I decided to go vegetarian, if not full on vegan. We dive in, I just want to do a little housekeeping, so be sure to hit that little subscribe button and the little thumbs up button so I know you're watching. That helps me a lot. So it has been a week and a day since I decided to go vegetarian, or plant-based, if you will. And I went as far as to grow my own scallions. All scallions aside, I've experienced the benefits, the inevitable gas, and the bloating. Not to be too TMI, but that's just the reality of when you're switching to a high fiber diet. Having grown up in a half Italian, half all American household, eating meat was our number one source of protein. So, I am going to start with 11 tips to get yourself started on your journey in vegetarianism if this is something that is aligned with you. Number one, educate yourself. Learn about vegetarianism, including nutrition requirements, sources of protein, iron, calcium, and other essential nutrients. Understanding what your body needs will help you make informed food choices. Two, start gradually. If you're accustomed to eating meat regularly, like I was, consider transitioning gradually. Start by reducing your meat intake and incorporating more plant based meals into your diet. You can gradually eliminate different types of meat over time. And with that said, experiment with plant based foods. So explore a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, those are just a fancy term for beans, whole grains, and just discover the new flavors and the different textures. I mean, experiment with different cooking habits, different cooking recipes, and just find what you really enjoy. Find vegetarian alternatives. So look for vegetarian alternatives to your favorite meals. So there are many plant-based substitutes out there for things like burgers, sausages, deli. There's even plant vegan cheese. There's even vegan butter. I mean, this will definitely help ease the transition by providing familiar tastes and textures. Five, plan balanced meals in advance. So ensure that your vegetarian meals are balanced and nutritionally complete. Include a variety of foods to meet your protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, omega 3 fatty acids, and aim for a diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Number six, read labels. Pay special attention to food labels to identify hidden animal ingredients. Some products may contain gelatin, rennet, or other animal derived additives, so familiarize yourself with common non vegetarian ingredients to make these informed choices. Number seven, seek support. So connect with other vegetarians, maybe on social media, join a Facebook group, or local vegetarian meetups. I don't even know if those even exist. But just to share experience and just maybe get a little more guidance. I mean, some people may know more than you do, and some people may have been a vegetarian longer than you have. Eight, communicate your dietary needs. So inform your friends, your family, your significant other. Also, someone please remind me to tell my significant other that I'm vegetarian. Anyway, whew, this can help avoid awkward situations and easily make your family, partner, and friends a little more flexible when dining out or just attending social gatherings. Number nine, be patient and flexible. Give yourself time to adjust to new eating habits. It's okay to make mistakes or occasionally indulge in your favorite non vegetarian foods or even non vegan foods. I mean, don't restrict yourself too much. That's the number one thing I tell my clients all the time. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Let me say that again. Focus on progress rather than perfection, and be open to adapting your diet as needed. If you need to be a proletarian, a pescatarian, by all means. 10. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body and your body only responds to a vegetarian diet. If you experience any negative symptoms or even deficiencies, consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for professional and personalized advice and guidance. And the 11th and final tip is to include probiotic rich foods. So, incorporate natural sources of probiotic into your diet, such as yogurt. Look for dairy free options like coconut or almond yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. These fermented foods contain live cultures that are so beneficial, and they can really help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. And with that being said, thank you for coming to my first week in vegetarianism update. Love your new favorite or other favorite, Gemini vegetarian. Bye.